Welcome guys, this is Kundu and welcome to Money Watch channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you will come to know about future videos, because I release new videos every day about making money online and it's all legit. So in this video I am going to teach you how you can make money by translating from one language to another. You will be a translator and how to become a translator. Now you might be wondering that you don't know other languages apart from English, then how I can be a translator. So in this video I will show you a secret tip through which you can translate from one language to any language you want, and you can earn money in your via your in US dollars or in bitcoins. So you might be wondering how I can be a translator and from where I will get the jobs. So the website which we will be using to translate from one language to another is called Google Translate. Google Translate. Just Google it. Now here you can see that translate.google.com. Just click on this. And as you can see here, this is the website, and once you type in any word here, it will be translated to the to your desired language. It's available in all language. You can see French, then Spanish, Ukrainian, Hungarian, Africans. Every language is available here, so you can translate from one language to another. For example, if I will show you from English to Spanish how it will look like. Just wait. Let me show you proof that it works, and later on I will show you the website where you can get your work, and you can earn anywhere from $25 to $500 to $1,000 anywhere. Okay, so let's go. I'm just collecting some text so that we can translate that text to Spanish language. So let me grab this text. So as you can see, I have copied this text which is in English. Just to do this, just simply paste it here, and if you want to translate in Spanish, then select the Spanish language and boom, it's translated. You can see here it has been translated to Spanish. So you can see how simple it is. You can select any language, whether you know a language or not, you can translate it from one language to any language you want. Now I want to tell you from where you will get this kind of work. So the website is latium.org, latium.org. This is a freelancing website where you can be a freelancer. Just create your profile here. Just go to the sign up option. Once you land, I have already logged into my account, so there is no sign up button here. But you can once you go to the website, you will get a sign up button over there, and you can just make your profile. It's very easy, and I'm not going to explain much about it. Now what you will do is go to browse projects. Okay, now here you will see lots and lots of projects like surveys, graphics and design, social and digital marketing, websites and software usability testing, registrations, and we are looking for translation and languages. Just click on this button over here, and you will see that you will get lots and lots of options here. English to Spanish translator needed. They will give you $5 to $25. Okay, English to Spanish $225 to $250. And by the way, I want to tell you that they pay you in bitcoins or in cryptocurrency or in US dollars. So You can see here translate from Hindi. Okay, translate existing transcribed documents. They will pay you in Bitcoin, Latium, other Latium coin, Latium. I mean, they pay you in digital currency or in USD dollar. Needing a French translation. So you can see here the work is endless. Thousands and thousands of works are available here. So it's pretty easy to get work. No need a Spanish translator. 150 to 175. They pay you in US dollar. Translator from English into German, 5,000 characters. They pay you in US dollar, 5 to 25,000. Oh, sorry, $5 to $25. So you what you will do here, you will just click on any for example, just click on this if you want this job. Let it load. Yeah, so you can see here you can place a bid here. Okay, and make sure that just bid as low it has $25 to $30. Bid uh, $26. Okay, just low, just bid very low. Okay, so that you will be accepted. And uh, how long it will take you to translate? I guess it will take minimum 10 to 20 minutes. So as soon as you give the delivery time, the better the chances are to get accepted for this project. Okay, after that you can send a message, or it is optional, and just click on place a bid. It's pretty easy. It's up to you which project you want to choose, because you can translate from one language to any language. Okay, because I have shown you this trick, Google Translate. It's pretty awesome, and you can make money from this. Okay, so if you have any questions about this video, kindly let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to help you, and I hope this video was helpful for you. For any newbie who want to make money online, it's pretty easy as I showed you. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you want to make money online, I have a link down below in the description. Just click the link below and you will come to know a very genuine way to make money online, and you can make up to $1,000 per week. So kindly click on the link below if you want to learn more. And yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.